been here before, my name is Andrea, and welcome to Andrea's Kidney Transplant Life. In this video today, I'll be giving you an update on our Spring Porch collaboration. We had such a wonderful time decorating our porches for the spring, and so today we're going to be doing a collaboration refresh, and it's hosted by Marlene's How-Tos, Penny, Deborah, Classieandra, Mary, Prameela, and me. Right here you're looking at me in the previous video preparing all my plants and my pots to get started on a wonderful Saturday afternoon. I was gonna have fun. So today I'm just gonna show you what it looks like after I have done the refresh. On my porch door, my balcony door, you can see my eucalyptus wreath and the berries that are on there. And I placed two nice butterflies just perched, cute. And on my door handle, I have a decorated welcome to my garden sign. And then I'm going to show you what those beautiful plants look like now. They're so gorgeous. They have come a very long way. Right here you're looking at my petunias, and to the right you can see my lemon tree that I started from a seed. One morning I was just making breakfast and decided that I was gonna start planting from a seed, and I placed it in a damp paper towel, put it under my sink for a while, and it sprouted. So there you have it. We'll come back to that. You're looking at the whiskey zinnia that I got from Home Depot. When I got it initially, it was just a few flowers with buds that were starting to develop. And now, as you can see, everything has blossomed, and it is so beautiful. Yellow with red on the inside, and those beautiful specks of yellow in the middle. Right here, you're looking at my petunias and my marigold. They're so beautiful. And you know, I had such fun creating this garden, especially when I had to decorate it with my my garden ornaments. If you're liking my videos so far, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell twice, just so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And you know, sometimes I want to pause and just think about how beautiful this garden has been and how much it has helped me, and how many people have said they've enjoyed just passing by and looking at it as they're taking their dogs for the morning or evening walk. I sit on my porch and I watch people go by, watch my flowers, and, you know, listen to nature, the sounds of nature around me. I really think that as someone who's been through dialysis and transplant surgery and recovery, that times like these are so relaxing. And, you know, these are some of the things that we fight for when we try to make sure we stay healthy. And, you know, it's not just our relatives and, you know, children, spouses. It's also so that we can stick around and enjoy beauty like this. And I just want to really thank everybody that have shared with me how much they've enjoyed my my videos, and how much they've enjoyed just looking at my flowers. These times, every day it's something coming up. You know, there's problems in this state or problems in that state, but when you create your little space, your quiet corner, you know, you can really sit and take a load off and try not to think about all these things and just enjoy life, enjoy the beauty of it. Again, that's why we fight when we're going through dialysis and when we have our transplant. That's why we do everything that the doctor tells us to do, so that we can stick around and enjoy things like this. I'm so grateful to be able to have this opportunity to share my experiences and to share the things I'm doing to relax and the things I think about sometimes. right there you're seeing me surgically remove the dead flowers from the plants. And that's some of the things that you can do too, because that too is relaxing when you're pruning them off, or when you're removing the flowers that have gone, given us all their beauty and are needing to be removed, like you see me doing here. Even little actions like those tend to be really relaxing. And making sure that the pots are clean by taking out the dead leaves and things like that. And decorating your pots with garden gnomes and toadstools. So, it's the little things. It's the little things that really make life so much worth living. And once again, I'm just going to go through and show you what the full effect of the refresh looks like. And see you soon. I really appreciate your view. And you're looking at the wreath, eucalyptus wreath on the door again, and we're looking at the just simple decorations. I painted that. I actually painted that. The welcome to my garden sign. So those are things that I enjoy doing, and looking at my handiwork with my pots and the plants and the flowers and the ornaments, and even my lemon tree that I sprouted from a seed. Those things really make you feel happy, it's an accomplishment. And even though I don't have lemons yet, I will make lemon leaf tea, which is also healthy for you. So have a wonderful day, and again, continue to watch my videos, and I hope it inspires you. It gives you ideas on what to do in your spare time, and just enjoy. Bye.